Hello everyone, and welcome to my new tutorial. Do you want your phone to have a truly unique background? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set your favorite TikTok video as an animated wallpaper on your phone's home screen. With just a few simple steps, your phone will look like a real work of art, and every time you unlock it, the TikTok video will come to life on your screen. Ready to upgrade your phone? Let's get started. First, find your TikTok app, open it, and log into your profile if you haven't done so already. Once you've opened the TikTok app, the next thing you need to do is tap the magnifying glass icon to open the search bar. Type Live Wallpaper in the search field and go to the search results. Once you've done that, in the upper menu just below the search bar, tap the Users section. Here, you'll see a list of profiles that have posted TikTok videos with the option to set them as wallpapers. Choose a profile that you like. Next, select the video you want to use as your wallpaper. After that, tap the share icon on the right side of the screen, and immediately after that, in the options menu at the bottom of the screen, swipe from right to left. When you find the Set as Wallpaper option, tap it. Then, at the bottom of the screen, you'll see a Set as Wallpaper button, tap it. Now, tap on the Set Wallpaper button. In the pop-up window that appears, choose whether you want to set it for the home screen, the lock screen, or both. I'll choose both the home screen and lock screen. Once you've done that, go back to your home screen, and you'll see that the animated wallpaper you selected is now active. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to leave a like, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. See you very soon, and thank you so much for watching.